beginning for us. A chance to explore the unknown and embark on a ceaseless quest, making new breakthroughs along the way and persevering until we make it.
Hello. Welcome to Shanghai Electric. Now, we're presenting you with our smart industries. Let's get our journey started.
As a century-old enterprise and pillar of the national economy, we receive strong support and are shouldering a great mission. With wisdom, fortitude, and heart. As a cradle of China's modern industries, with an extensive 120-year history, we have created over 100 firsts and contributed our Chinese strengths to the world. In accordance with the National Decarbonization and Digitalization Strategy, we are empowering industrial transformations. With the help of excellent R&D talent, we have already actualized numerous high-value technologies. We truly uphold the concept of win-win collaborations and have teamed up with more than 70 first-rate companies to continually empower global industry and move steadily towards high-quality development. As a world-class comprehensive high-end equipment and manufacturing group, Shanghai Electric covers a wide range of industries. Our strong capacity in cross-industry products and services provides leading smart solutions for our partners in energy, industry, and urban planning fields. Embracing a green future with smart energy solutions to meet dual carbon goals. In alternative energy, we have coordinated resources across the globe to build the world's leading photovoltaic power generation project. This has achieved stable 24-hour power generation using 100% renewable energy with zero carbon emissions. Our globally competitive wind power products and core competencies in technology and digital management make us well positioned to seize growth opportunities both onshore and offshore. We have a variety of energy storage technologies and equipment, such as lithium and liquid flow storage, that enable us to take greater advantage of the potential of renewable energy. In high-efficiency clean energy, we are independent innovators and continue to set the highest standards in thermal power generation efficiency. We have provided customers with comprehensive solutions for the coupling of coal power with alternative energy, including coal power capacity increases and flexible transformations. As experts of core technologies in heavy-duty gas turbines, we have extended the advantages for the entire combined cycle system. We are also the world's only integrated supplier of key equipment for nuclear energy and are moving towards a new goal of comprehensively harnessing nuclear energy. In the industrial drive field, we provide full system industrial drive products to meet the needs for multi-industry applications and comprehensive consumption reduction. We focus on the demand for new power systems and provide innovative integrated power and electronic products for strong and smart power grids. Shanghai Electric provides integrated solutions for source, network, load, storage, and hydrogen, and provides a digital platform to innovatively achieve carbon reduction goals. Our goal is to promote the development of high-quality intelligent manufacturing. We believe in actively contributing to the global industrial digital transformation and provide leading digital factory solutions for lithium batteries and high-end automated assembly equipment, in addition to solutions for global aviation. We provide more than 260 robotics products with various and flexible applications to promote development and upgrades. We will continue to implement digital, network, and intelligent manufacturing of basic components that meet the demand for comprehensive improvement in the industry. Our Highly Group is committed to innovating alternative energy electric vehicle compressors and automotive thermal management systems, with construction on an intelligent digital factory currently underway. As for general equipment, we have a product group with over 600 specifications in machine tools that are widely used in automotive, aerospace, and other fields. As a pioneer in Chinese instrumentation, we provide complete instrumentation and control integration services for a few strategic national projects. We are devoted to building professional digital solutions for manufacturing industries and to achieve comprehensive informatization and intelligence for our customers. Building a better city ecosystem with smart infrastructure. With more than 20 years of experience in rail transportation automation, we established a powerful industrial system in this field. In health, we built an extensive medical ecosystem and provide comprehensive medical system solutions. For environmental protection, we focus on intelligent equipment and provide intelligent solutions. Our Shanghai Mitsubishi elevators have continued to lead the industry with superior products and services for 20 years, maximizing the total life cycle value for our customers. In urban digital and intelligent governance, we created solutions for multiple scenarios with intelligent applications. Our SE UniCloud Industrial Internet Platform has built a sound industrial ecosystem centered on high-end equipment manufacturing that supports intelligent digital transformations. We provide customers with one-stop financial services and facilitate the integration of industry and finance for big manufacturing. Shanghai Electric follows the national strategy closely, makes steady progress, and promotes high-quality development. We create new avenues for future industries and cutting-edge technologies, and promote new industrial structures characterized by our dual intelligence and network capabilities. We aspire to become a world-class equipment enterprise leading in industrial development. We practice low carbon and green development for coexisting with nature, co-founding an international community. As light bearers and guardians, we are there at every turn. The little joys held dear in our hearts are the fibers of bigger dreams, empowering global industrial development with technology and making life better. Shanghai Electric. Create our future together.